Hello, everyone, and welcome to Fearless Fridays. My name is Dr. Benjamin Ritter, leadership and career coach, guiding others to create a career they can love. And today I want to talk about decision making. Now, throughout your life, you've been making decisions, and you've been making them in a certain way that, even if you don't believe it, it's been consistent. So either you poll your friends, or you take exactly 7 days to make a big decision and 3 days to make a short, quick, kind of smaller decision, or you ask the same 4 people, or you ponder it while in the shower, and if you don't take a shower, you can't make a decision. Basically, we all have our tendencies. We all have our habits when it comes to making decisions. And so I'd love to challenge everybody, because if we make decisions a certain way, we are limiting the decisions we make. So I'd like to challenge everyone just to kind of take a look at how they've made decisions. Take a look at your past, maybe 5 big decisions or 3 big decisions, and write down how you made them, how long it took, who you asked, all the other components of it. And for your next decision, try to do it differently. Just try it out. I promise you have nothing to lose, or probably everything to gain. Some pretty magical things can happen when we change things up, especially with how we make decisions. More so, we save time. We might actually end up with better outcomes. But it helps us get out of our ruts. It helps us get out of we're doing things just to do them a certain way because we're used to it. So try it out. Let me know how it goes. And this is another way. Okay? Keep on living for yourself.